Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. I'm here at the Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. This is built back in 1848. It was actually the tallest building in the world then. And you can see about a third of the way up where it changes slightly. That's where they stopped building while they fought the Civil War and continued afterwards. Today's tip is about Microsoft Word, and it's talking about how to select text. If you double click a word, you would know that it selects the word, but if you triple click a word, it selects the entire paragraph, which is wherever the new line starts to wherever the enter key is pressed, which means it's good for things like bullet points and headings as well as paragraphs of text. Okay, that's today's T7 tip, and I look forward to seeing you next week.